the 74 Merc 440 Max. Got it stripped down. Found it in a guy's garage. It's been stored for about 30 years. All in pretty good shape. Everything's here. It is missing one of the little running boards. Rubber pieces there. Windshield is broken. There's the windshield there for it. You got the old tarp, the original tarp that would have come with it. It's mossy oak color because it's got moss going on it. The skis need some painting. It's actually in very good shape. I've had it running. And I'm going to try and fire it up here again. See if I can't work any bugs out of it and see what all's wrong with it. So she should be quite the project. The track isn't too bad. It's a little bit cracked, but got everything original on it. The seat's being recovered. The tank had to be cleaned. It was so full of crud from sitting, and now I'm getting it lined as well. So the seat's being recovered, and if I can find a windshield. If not, I'll make my own. Runs pretty good. Running it out of a jerry can right now. Then feels good and strong. Keep an eye on it, doesn't get too hot.